All right, so here are a couple additional examples. So if I take a look at this first one, I have y equals negative 4x plus 2 and y equals 6x minus 8. So I'm going to set my equations equal to each other, so that would be negative 4x plus 2 equals 6x minus 8. I'm going to move my x term to the left by canceling it out on the right. Subtract 6x, subtract 6x. That leaves me with negative 10x plus 2 equals negative 8. Now I'll subtract 2 on each side. So negative 10x equals negative 10. Divide both sides by negative 10. And x equals 1. So I have an x value of 1. Now I'm going to take one of my two equations from above, and I'm going to substitute in that value for x. So I'll use the y equals 6x. Remember, it doesn't matter which equation you use. Y equals 6 times 1 minus 8. Y equals 6 times 1 is 6 minus 8. Y value is negative 2. So then I will take both my x and my y value, put it together to make the ordered pair for the solution, and that would give me 1, negative 2. So that's my solution for this systems of equations. All right, another example. So now I have the equations y equals 3x minus 8 and y equals negative x plus 4. I'm going to set the equations equal to each other. So 3x minus 8 equals negative x plus 4. Remember, there's an invisible 1 here. So I'm going to move my x term to the left, add 1x, add 1x. That gives me 4x minus 8 equals 4. I will add 8 to both sides. 4x equals 12. Divide both sides by 4. And x will equal 3. So my x coordinate is 3. I will then take the, let's go with this equation, one of the equations from above, y equals 3x minus 8. I will substitute the x value in for the x coordinate x here. So 3 times 3 minus 8, y equals 9 minus 8, y equals 1. So now I have my x coordinate, my y coordinate, put it together to find the solution, and the solution for this systems of equation is 3, 1. Now I have one last example. Y equals negative 8x and y equals 24. I will set them equal to each other. 8x equals 24. Divide both sides by negative 8. This one's a short one. And x value equals negative 3. Now, I don't have to substitute that into either of these equations because I already know the y value is 24. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to take this x value and this y value, put it together, and I get a solution of negative 3, 24. And there's the solution to this systems of equations. Good luck.